Yo, what's up guys, I'm Blue here, and today we are playing some Cat Simulator.
And look at Clover 203.
Will you shut up? I've already had to redo this video because she was copying me and being annoying and stopping me.
Because he was copying me and being annoying. Copying me.
Will you stop?
Will you stop being a jerk?
You know what? Let's go cause some havoc.
Oh, sure.
If you shut up, I will help you with your YouTube videos.
Done. Any video I want?
Sure. Once a day. There's multiple cats in here?
I think your viewers are waiting.
Hey. I'm not helping you anymore. Yeah, shut up. Sorry, I was stirring my room. Hey. Chub Chub. What you want? Change the channel. You're not allowed to watch soccer. Hey, Chub Chub. I'm all up in your face. You know what?
Here you go. You are my pet.
Boom.
Could you please?
There you go. Boom. Shake it, shake it, boom. Run. 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 No, I was here already. I'm gonna claw your butt. I'm gonna claw your butt.
No, my pop.
Ah, hallelujah. Shh, I heard you out the first time.
Yeah, take it or what?
Just. It's warm. Get out. No. Eh. Yeah. Book. It's the book. Pillow. I hate these pillows. Book. Bookworm. I'm a bookworm. That's why I have these glasses. Yeah, look at these glasses. These glasses. I'm actually a blind cat. That's why I destroy everything. Give me a bath. Stop dancing and give me a bath. No? How dare you defy me? This is the Egyptian time. Ah! Oh, there's... Huh? No? Wait, when?
These. Yeah, they were fine.
Yeah, that was a short video. Like, comment, subscribe. Have a great button.